Hello, and welcome to the introduction for the AT-VTP-700VL-BL 7-inch velocity touch panel and the AT-VTP-FMK7BL flush mount kit. The Atlona AT-VTP-700VL is a velocity 7-inch touch panel that features contemporary, refined styling. It is an ideal user interface for AV control or room scheduling in corporate and education environments. The 700VL provides a consistent touch panel experience because of similar construction, look, feel, and mounting as our 10-inch touch panels. It offers easy-to-view room status with side-mounted LEDs that are customizable for scheduling and room control applications. Upgraded processing and memory provide faster loading and better touch response than previous models. This new touch panel is a cost-effective option for control systems where a 7-inch is an appropriate size for the user interface and the scheduling applications that require LED status indicators. Key features for the VTP-700VL touch panel include a 7-inch capacitive touch panel with 1024 by 600 native resolution. It is a sleek, modern design with integrated side LED lighting that can be configured to coincide with room availability or AV functions. Fast, streamlined setup and configuration is achieved with the Velocity Gateway. Dual-purpose glass and wall mount compatible with 1-gang US, UK, and EU openings is included. It has a VESA 75-hole pattern for compatibility with third-party mounts. The Gigabit Ethernet port supports PoE for remote power and network connections in a single cable. It is available in black only. The 700VL is ideal for conference rooms and classrooms as the primary user interface for an AV system control. It may also be used in lobbies, hallways, or outside of any meeting space that require a quick and easy visual means of displaying the room availability. The VTP-700VL is a 7-inch touch panel designed for both room scheduling and AV control applications. Bright LED lighting on the sides of the panel provide a visual representation of the room status for scheduling applications or adds emphasis for AV control functions. The AT-VTP-FMK7BL is a flush mount kit for the Velocity 7-inch touch panels. It expands wall mounting options for the touch panels, specifically for applications where the panel face needs to be virtually flush with the wall. The VTP-FMK is the ideal solution when a recessed streamlined wall mount panel installation is required. The AT-VTP-FMK7BL is compatible with the AT-VTP-700VL 7-inch touch panel. Adjustable metal tabs fasten the mount to the wall of various thicknesses. This allows the touch panel to be recessed into a wall so that the panel face is virtually flush with the wall surface. Magnets secure the touch panel to the mount while in use and allow for easy removal if maintenance is needed. It is also available in black only. For more information on the VTP-700VL and the VTP-FMK7, go to www.atlona.com.